What's going on, guys? Just going to show you how to wrap or semi-cheap wrap your roof panel, any panel you want. You got your guard, door, boot, anything really, interior. All you need is a heat gun. Purchase any kind of wrap you like, any cheap wrap you can find. Yeah, it's not too hard. I got myself this gloss white wrap off eBay. Cost me 200 bucks. Pretty cheap. Arrived in 2 days, 3 days it was, which I thought was really bloody good. Yeah, we'll get into it and I'll show you how to do it. So we've got the white gloss wrap here. Should be pretty simple. It's 15-12 wide. It should fit the roof width. Just got to cut it 1.7 meters long. Alright, so I've got a cut all the way through. It's a bit of a mission. Had to split the 1.7, measure 870, pull that out, roll it up, measure another 870, and then cut it. Ready to go. Alright, so I've got my wrap rolled up, cut out 1300. I didn't end up cutting the 1300 because the roll's 1500 wide. So I've gone 1500 wide and 1.7 meters long. Here I've just got some magnets here. Real simple, it's just some tape. Protect the wrap. That's just to help hold the wrap down as I work. And back there. Peel this tape off. Make sure you peel it off the way that the wrap peels back. That way you don't actually peel the wrap off the backing. I just want to get one corner started. Overhang it about, I don't know, 10-15 centimeters. Get your magnets, tuck them down. I'll step down out of here. Just unroll it. Coverage is up there. Alright, looks like we've got a bit of excess there, so I'll chop that off. Or actually I can pull it back. That, eh? Still make sure you are in the right spot. Alrighty. When you buy the wrap, they give you one of these cards, which is pretty handy. I'm going to peel the corner just enough so I can put that magnet back in with the backing sheet underneath here. Right, so she's stuck down there. Sneak around the back here. Well, there. There we go. Now we're going to start peeling it out. Show you this here. What I mean. Nice and slowly. And as you're doing this, you're going to kind of try and keep it nice and tight. You can always rip it back up and pull it back down. As long as you got that surface nice and clean, no dramas. Alright, so now you get your card straight down the middle. Just go nice and slow so you don't crease the film. You want to watch it as well, so you can end up creasing it. It's not that hard to. All the way out, straight to the seal. Alright, now I'm just going to work my way from here all the way back. I'm going to start in the middle, square this way, middle, square that way, and so on. Oh, we got a wrinkle. Get rid of that. It's really devastating to do, but pull that back up, pop your hand under, lay it back down, heat gun. Oh, gotta plug it in. Alright, so that's gone. And that just removes the solid crease. And you just start again. Oh, we got an air bubble. That's right, we'll pop that out later. lift the corner up and go in. So what I'm doing is holding the corner and pulling at the same time and swiping at the same time, because there's a crappy little curve that goes that way on the roof. Alrighty, all finished. Looks pretty good. Join here, you can just see it, and a join there. Just tuck it under the windscale, down the side, Not bad. Pretty happy with that.